Hi Nani, what's for breakfast?
Today, breakfast is of my choice. There are no breads, no omelets, no jams. Today, I'm going to make you a stuffed chana paratha, which you will really enjoy. And it will keep you satiated right throughout the day. So let's start. We will add 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can add oil as well, whatever suits you. Since it's a paratha, I would prefer making it in ghee. The ghee is nice and hot and I just add in little cumin seeds. Teaspoon of finely cut ginger. Teaspoon of finely cut garlic. Just stir it. 1 teaspoon of cut green chillies. If you like garlic and ginger, you can add some more also. Choice is yours. So this is Chana Dal, which I have soaked for 4-5 hours. Now I will just drain out the water. Now we add in the Chana Dal, making the flame full. Adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. This is only for the Chana Dal. Adding in turmeric powder, haldi powder. Now here you can add red chilies also if you want, but I have added green chilies. Dal is roasted nicely. When you get the aroma of dal being roasted, means it's done. We add half a glass of water to pressure cook it. Now we will close the pressure cooker. Let the dal cook for 2-3 whistles. And now we will switch off the gas. Waiting for the cooker to cool and then we will remove the dal. You can see that it's absolutely dry. Now we will transfer this into a plate for it to cool. We spread the dal nicely and we'll wait for it to cool. We'll just mash the dal. You can do it in a mixer grinder also if you want. We don't want it absolutely powdery, we need it a little granular. And you can see it's totally dry, it's not at all moist. Now we add in some coriander leaves. We mix it. So there are no masalas added in this, it's very simple. The lesser the ingredient, the better the recipe. So our stuffing for the paratha is ready. Now we'll start doing the paratha. This is wheat flour. I add in some Ajwain, that is Carom seeds. Now we'll take a little salt for the parathas. Add in a little oil. Mixed everything well. Now we will add in some water. Kneaded the dough, just a little oil over it. Now we are ready to roll the parathas. Just a drop of oil. Clean the tawa nicely. Rolling it with a light hand. We take the stuffing. Seal it nicely. A little bit of dry flour. Rolling it with a light hand. If the paratha slightly cracks on the top, there's no problem. You can just cover it with a little bit with the dry flour. Now we put the paratha on a little bit of ghee. While this is cooking, we make the other paratha. Our dal paratha is almost done. Depending whether you want it soft or crispy, you can make it accordingly. Now we'll make the next one.
Hold the ghee. I am on a diet, Nani.
Don't look at the ghee quotient of it. Ghee is good fat and it's good for you. So please have it without any guilt. These are nice thick parathas.
They look so delicious, Nani.
Yes, these are nice, healthy chana stuffed parathas. Please have them, enjoy it, and make this a daily habit. I'm getting you some curds and pickles so you will enjoy it even more.